In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for your business. 5 minutes. We'll build a simple, scalable workspace that keeps your team organized without overwhelming you. By the end, you'll know how to set up a central hub, structure your information with databases, connect everything together, and tap into views and AI to speed up your work. First, log into Notion on the web or desktop. If you're new, take a moment to look at the left sidebar in the top toolbar so you know where pages, search, and settings live. This quick tour helps you stay oriented as your workspace grows. Next, create a main company homepage to act as your central dashboard. Think of it as your command center. Add clear links to your core areas like projects, clients, and content. You can include a quick links section, a simple this week area, or a short mission statement so everyone knows what matters right now. Keep it tidy. This page should reduce clicks and questions. Now, structure your information with separate databases instead of one massive table. Create distinct databases for things like projects, clients, tasks, content, and meetings. Give each database the properties it needs: status, owner due date, tags, so entries are consistent and sortable. This separation keeps your data clean and easier to report on later. Connect related databases to make your system truly powerful. Use relations to link a project to its client or tasks to their project. Then use roll-ups to surface key details like the total number of open tasks for a project or the next due date. You can also create linked database views on your company home with filters so you see just what's relevant. Save time with templates for recurring items. Build a meeting notes template with agenda, decisions, and action items. Create a project brief template with goals, timelines, stakeholders, and risks. For content, standardize outlines and metadata. Pre-fill properties and checklists so every new entry starts correctly. Switch between table, board, calendar, and timeline views depending on what you need to see. Use table for detailed editing, board for stage-based workflows, calendar for deadlines or publishing dates, and timeline for roadmaps. Add filters and sorts so each team member gets a focused view. Don't build everything at once. Start with your immediate needs, usually projects and tasks, then refine weekly as your team uses it. Keep names consistent and archive what you don't need. Finally, use built-in AI to summarize notes, draft content, or pull action items from meeting transcripts. Keep prompts specific, review outputs for accuracy, and use AI to accelerate, not replace, your judgment. That's your streamlined system: a clear home, well-structured databases, smart connections, flexible views, and thoughtful use of AI. Start simple, iterate quickly, and let Notion grow with your business.